Hi, my name is Tomm Voss. I'm an actor and a martial artist. I both practice and teach QiGong. Qi means your life force. It's the energy that's in all living things, within us, around us, in nature, in animals, in trees, all over, all around, that permeates this universe. A gong translates to cultivation. So QiGong means life force cultivation. And it's an ancient healing, moving meditation from the Wudang Mountains of China. Now, the purpose of QiGong is to restore your body's energy back to balance and harmony. We live in a very stressful world, and our energies can be greatly affected by these stresses that we deal with in our everyday life. The Eastern philosophy is that when our qi, our life force, is imbalanced, that's when we get sick. That's when we're stressed, we're worried, our minds are not very clear, and we easily get sick. Now, when our qi is balanced, that's when we thrive. That's when our minds are clear, that's when we're focused, that's when no illnesses can touch us, and we can thrive and live the life that we really want to live, reach our full potential. So QiGong is a practice of movement, intention, and breath. It's a really beneficial, amazing, ancient practice, and it's helped me heal an illness. I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disease about 10 years ago called Henoch-Schönlein vasculitis. And I was filled with Western medicine, and those medications also had an effect on my adrenal glands and my thyroid, which caused an underfunctioning thyroid, and they said you have to take a thyroid medication every day for the rest of your life. But I refused to believe that. I learned that the body could heal itself. So I started researching Eastern healing modalities, Ayurvedic medicine, Chinese medicine, and discovered QiGong. And then I met my teacher, who is an 83-year-old grandmaster from China. And he took me in as a student and taught me this art. And within 3 months, I was able to heal an illness that was said to be incurable, which I now have come to understand incurable means curable from within. Not only that, but also thrive. And a couple of years ago, I was able to go and compete in a world championship of martial arts, and blessed enough to win it. I greatly credit this to QiGong, to finding balance and harmony within my body and in my mind, and restore my body to its natural state and health. It has become my life's mission to share what I've learned. The truth is, you're more powerful than you can imagine. You can heal yourself, thrive, live your full potential, a life beyond your wildest dreams. Connect to your qi within, cultivate your life force, and be who you were always meant to be.